$150. We start with the first step. I see it goes well. I see the results. So I do as I mentioned, I do 2 weeks, then 6 months, then or 1 year's contract with you.
Okay, sir.
I continue long term because I don't have the team. I want to make the team, so it's not like short time. Or how do you think for the payment?
We have also PayPal, also Remitly, but Remitly it's be good for us. Remitly, are you understand? Remitly.
Yeah.
Previously you using it?
I never used those.
Okay, not problem. But you first time try it.
I will figure it out. Just give me the name.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much for joining on this meeting. If possible, then you can open your camera. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, just wait a few seconds. I'll start and discuss about your work. From Kamrul, আমার কথা শুনছেন?
জি স্যার।
Video on করলে better হবে. Okay, so we start this meeting, sir. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Okay. I forgot your name. If you present yourself.
Yes, obviously.
Actually, as you see here, my name is Nasser.
Yes.
So I can tell a little bit about my biography. So I'm living here in Sweden. So I'm a long distance cyclist. So I do cycling all around the world. So still I did finish 21 countries. So my project is to bike all the world. And I do social media like vlogging, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook page. Yeah, so this is me.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Now, John,
Yes, please.
Okay, this is me. My name is Freelancer, and I joining from Encoder-IT Institute. It's our digital marketing agency. And Kamrul Hassan, he's my teammate, and we working together. And I had already 10 years experience about this work. And Kamrul Hassan, he already joining in the site before 5 years. So obviously you check our previous client experience about social media marketing, total digital marketing, like book promotion, social media marketing, ads campaign, social media ads, also design related, suppose logo, cover banner, social media post design. We are from Bangladesh. I think you know about Bangladesh.
Yeah, sure. The Bangladesh is on my route actually. Soon in 4 weeks, I'm going to Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, and I'm near to your country. So maybe I cross by your country and see you there.
Oh yeah, okay, I understand. So just you first time check about our previous client experience, then you take your decision. Okay. Just go on Facebook and just search Facebook Encoder-IT Institute. It's a digital marketing agency page, Encoder-IT Institute. Just some scroll down, then you can get. Just click on more. Then you can every video.
Encoder-IT.
You can get every video in one page. Encoder-IT Institute. Okay, so just a look. We will last video uploaded in just 9 hours ago. It's our success video, but you look, this is this man, and he joining from America. You understand perfectly? Also, some scroll down, then you can get also another. It's our USA it's our USA project. Also, some scroll down, then you can get another 200, 300, and US new client experience. Also, US lady client interview. Also, some scroll down, then you can get also Canadian and England, Kenya, Philippines, USA, Silver, and Kenya. Also another, also UK, USA. I think when you go on our Facebook page, then you can understand about us.
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna check it. Like your work is like you do outstanding work actually there.
Yes. Sure, sir. So I will show you our previous social media some client experience. Objectively, Kamrul Hassan, when after this meeting is be completed, then Kamrul Hassan will send their also your previous client experience about social media marketing, total social media like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, Pinterest, also YouTube. And I know that you have agency like travel agency like so you make a good content per day, I think, and whenever you perfectly upload on your social media, any social media, when you upload your content, and obviously before you will do some work, also you need some work like SEO, caption, emoji, perfect and professional description, also a good thumbnail. Eye-catching thumbnails very important for YouTube content, Facebook content. So we will make a good eye-catching thumbnails, and we're using the Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. I think you know about Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop.
I do video editing and I do Premiere, I do Photoshop. I'm expert on that. So I
Okay.
know, yeah.
Sorry, good.
I know that a lot.
So
Actually, so my goal is like I'm in some kind, I'm good also in video editing and also
how we will get your video? Just number one process is following. You upload your video on Google Drive. Yeah.
actually the raw footage, the raw video, I send it on the Google Drive.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I put it there. So you guys just take it. Maybe I put a raw video for 10 minutes. You don't need to upload the 10 minutes. So you just take the point and just upload, make a content for the
So you want to we will edit your video.
edit
short-
videos. Yeah.
Short edit video.
Oh.
Okay, no problem.
So can we create a WhatsApp group if we managed all this?
WhatsApp group?
Yeah.
Okay, sure, no problem.
Because I have to have the groups, like I have
Yeah, you
different-
obviously, yeah, that's very important.
I have to see to who is in charge on that. And
Okay, sure, Kamal Hassan, at the WhatsApp group, you can create a WhatsApp group.
so just I want that you guys just make it viral, the social media. So have focus. I know you guys have the expert, you have the right tools.
Yeah. Okay, and you get our previous client experience after complete this meeting. No problem, sir.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you a lot.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
We will chat later. I will text you my WhatsApp number.
Yeah, sure.
I'll send it to you. Yeah.
Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Take care. Bye.
Take care also.